Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to teach you how to open up your unlimited cabinet sizing. Alright, so first I'm going to use the system cabinet. This can be in wardrobe, cabinet or any other as well. But this one I'm just going to show you by using system cabinet. This one is applicable to any other function. Okay, remember. So here I just want to show you how to change the unlimited sizing. So I take out the universal cabinet first. Okay, so you can see when you move your cursor, the parameter shows that the sizing will be exited until 6,000. So if you want to make, let's say 6,500, okay, it cannot be extended because the maximum limit is 6,000. Right, I show you again. Let's say I change it to 7,000. 7,000. See, the sizing will only available for 6,000 because this is the maximum. Okay, so how do we adjust to make it be more than 6,000? So now we can go to tools and set to settings. Okay, and then you scroll down until you can see the override size limit under the whole house customization, and you turn it into open. Okay, so you can override the size limit. Okay, setup is success. So now let's say I take out the universal cabinet. When I move my cursor, see the parameter has changed to 9999, which means internal lah. Okay, so that is how you change your sizing. Okay, to make it more than the sizing that we have lah. Okay, so let's say here I want to put 6,500 because just now the maximum limit is 6,000, right? See, I can already extend my cabinet to 6,500. As if we have changed to tools, settings, whole house, and then you can scroll down a bit until you see the override size limit. Alright, make it open. Right, so that's all from me. Thank you.